Hello, welcome to the channel, Retired, Don't Give Up. Today, I'm going to install my side bags. I've been waiting to get them for quite some time. The side bags will allow me to take longer trips on the motorcycle. We're going to start with the unpacking. Okay, let's see what we got. Bracket, other bracket. Looks like the left box and the right box. They sure know how to pack stuff. Okay, all right, let's see what we got inside here. Hopefully we have some instructions on how to put this together. Okay, I suspect this will be the other side. Well, that's interesting. We have two brackets, two plates, no instructions whatsoever. Doesn't that make life interesting? Very, very interesting. You would have thought they would have given us something to go with. We'll start by taking the back box off. Now, I wonder, there's some bolts right in here, and it looks like this is a spacer. It looks like this may very well go in like that. So we're going to take those bolts off, and we're going to see how that works. There we go. Well, it looks to me that these screws, they have a bolt underneath, and I believe they are designed because it's a universal bracket. Maybe it's also for a Forza, and which might use something slightly different. So I'm wondering, these go in. There we go. There we go. Move it a little bit. Of course, back in Canada, I would have full access to more extensive tools. That would probably speed things up. Also, of course, I suppose if you went to a mechanic, you would get the same thing. Just in case people are wondering why I don't do this, it makes it, well, it does work somewhat, but it makes it a little more difficult. Almost there on this side. It's looking like it's not quite as technical as I first thought. Well, that's pretty secure. Oh, underneath maybe. Underneath. So let's put that back on and just take a look and see how it fits on the box. So this, the question is, does it go on top or does it go underneath? It looks to me it's either on the top or it's on the bottom. That doesn't want to go in because it's hitting there. On the bottom, it goes in. So I'm willing to bet that's it right there. Again, there's different holes because it's universal. I don't know. And it doesn't go on top, so it goes underneath. One of the reasons why I chose to be a cabinet maker and not a mechanic was not the fact that I don't have abilities when it comes to working with tools and so forth, but I have big hands, and sometimes big hands are not very good when it comes time to get into tight little spots. I'm not going to tighten this up too much because I might have to adjust it a little bit once I put the box on. So we'll just snug it a little bit so it can still move. All right, let's put the box on. Okay. It looks like we can line it up with the back of the bike. I think that's good right there. And as you can probably see how this works, you just pull this back there like that, and that comes off. Quite easy. Quite easy. Haven't moved this, so let's carefully tighten it up, and we'll call this side done without having to go to YouTube and say, please, somebody tell me what to do. Okay, pull. Okay. Well, that, I think, looks okay. All right, let's do the other side. What we'll do is we'll take this one off just to make sure we get everything lined up exactly the same. Okay. Okay. That's a little close. This should be a little closer. I guess that's it. All right. Oh, there we go. There we go. Side bags are now on. We'll put the top box on and take a look. Well, not as hard as I thought it might be. Straightforward, even without any instructions. These are Shad 23s, top box, a Shad 44. We should have more than enough storage for us to go on our trips. Essentially, I'll be putting obviously my camera gear, my drone, and all my clothes in one box, and Katai will be putting her makeup and all her clothes in the other box in the top box. That sounds about right, right? After we dropped off our friends at the airport, we stopped at a fairly famous restaurant in Chiang Mai. Let's see how that went. Good morning. Our trip to Chiang Mai is done. We're on our way back home. I'm on the Highway 132. We are at Route 66 Chiang Mai. There it is there. We're also at Big Bike Touring. And if you take a look at my shirt, I've already been here once. I've bought the shirt. We're gonna go in. Okay, when you see this breakfast, you can't tell where we are. Somewhere maybe on Route 66. And Route 66 goes a long way, all the way from basically Chicago, all the way to Arizona. So when we walk into one of these Route 66s anywhere in the country, they all look a lot like this. The owner of this Route 66 here at Chiang Mai also owns the one in Pattaya. So I've seen this one here through other videos, and right beside it, of course, is the big bike shop for doing big bike tours. So we're going to take a walk over there and take a look at what we have there too. Back into the noise. He's just parking a BMW. These are 1200s? 800? So we have BMW. So we have everything from 800 cc's to 1200 cc's. Nice big bikes. Kawasaki's. Kawasaki 650. They have full gear. If you don't have your own gear, of course I have my own gear. You use one of their helmets, so it's all, everyone is together and they know who you are. So they have the top box, they have side boxes, fully equipped to take you pretty much anywhere in this country. They go to Cambodia, they go to Laos, and they go right through to Vietnam. It's on their website, and I fully plan on being part of that tour sometime. Hopefully, it'll be next November, and my pal from Ride for Kicks, Lucas, will be joining us. Anyway, we're on our way back to the province of Père. And until next time, bye for now. And remember, don't give up.